Growing up, my family was very laid back. My brothers and I would spend our days playing in the backyard, thinking only about what we were doing at the time. We lived very sheltered lives, so we didn't have much experience with cultures other than our own. Our parents provided for us well, but I didn't understand that other people lived with different customs and traditions than we did. It wasn't until my cousins and their family returned to the United States that I was introduced to this concept. My cousins live in a military family, and thus lived in many different U.S. Marine bases around the world. At the time, they lived in the Okinawa prefecture of Japan. To hear them tell it, Okinawa was a stunning island surrounded by clear water and coral reefs. They also told us that Okinawans had a very rich and interesting culture, and were famous for their laid-back outlook on life and proficiency in karate, in so many words. I didn't care about that stuff when I was younger, but my cousins brought with them a book, which I remember to be the first experience I ever had learning about a place with a different way of life than my own. This book is called Mickey Mongoose, A Great Adventure, and was actually written by an American woman who became captivated by Japanese tradition and culture, a woman named Catherine Clement. This story follows Mickey, a young mongoose who was captured and separated from his parents. Upon his escape, he befriends a habu snake named Hiro, and the strength of their friendship allows them to overcome several trials on their adventure. My brother and I loved reading the book, and we both learned a great deal about the culture of Japan through the style in which the book was written. This book was published in both Japanese and English, so I learned about the Japanese language as well. During the time that she wrote this book, relations between Okinawans and Americans was strained. One could gather that this was a major influence behind the book. Mrs. Clement, who is also a renowned artist in Okinawa, wrote this book to show that mortal enemies could become friends. This is reflected by the two main characters. Habu snakes and mongooses are known to be natural enemies in Japan. The message in the story is one I carry with me even today. I still try not to hold grudges or harshly judge others. I would highly recommend Mickey Mongoose, A Great Adventure, to anyone interested in learning about Okinawan culture.